Okay, hello. I am back with Paint Town Red. I have looked and it already has 33 views. Sure, it's kind of been 2 weeks, but still, that is kind of impressive for a starting out YouTuber to just see, okay, half of my views is from one video, which means that you guys like it. And frankly, I do too. Think everything should be good. I think I fixed the whole fact that the screen kind of goes blurry sometimes when my screen is moving really quickly. It's all OBS's fault, nothing to do with the games, since it happens with all the games. And we are going to play this. And I have played this level a little bit, and I know some of the good secrets. Yeah, prison level. I got thrown in jail. I murdered too many people. That's racist! Don't worry, it sometimes spawns a white guy too. It's just police brutality. Oh. This guy's lifting that. Okay. And give me a Q-tip. I don't care that it's not a Q-tip. It looks like a Q-tip. I was almost afraid that it started. I was like, I didn't start it. Not yet, anyway. Oh yeah, right, the shower block. I will knock your mustache off. So don't crap with me. See, I can knock this down. So many things are weapons in this. It is amazing. Like, you can use apples, you can use a piece of meat, there's tasers now. There's even a shotgun. That's kind of what I was talking about. You can find I know exactly where the shotgun is. Jack didn't find it in it. Jacksepticeye, he didn't find it in his, but I found it. It's hidden. Oh yeah. Also, this is a reason why you don't drop the soap. No! Censorship! 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 No! No! Censorship! Censorship! See, it's even blurry. No. And yes, I am just going to break it. There we go, he has no more penis. Time to go get my time to go release the... the game lags. Game is legit lagging right now. Should be going a whole heck of a lot faster. Now let me throw... There's a prisoner who needs free. I need to just run. Sprint, 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 jump, sprint, jump, sprint, jump, fuck you. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! I got a shotgun to gather! Yep, there's the reason why there's a fucking hell! There we go, shotgun! Damn it! Damn it! Fuck you! I forgot to... No! No! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! He's fucking showing his ribs! No! No! I don't want to get touched. Jesus Christ! No, I don't want to get touched, and I instantly die. Okay. New planet of attack. Kitchen. Don't get stuck on stuff. I'm also gonna grab this, drop that over there, drop this over there. Yes, you can even use an apple and an orange. See, there's even oranges. Apples versus apples, mofo. Only apples versus me. Bam! 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 Give me that fucking taser. Can't say I started it, because I did. Oh god, it's the naked man. Grab the taser. Taser's nuts. No! 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 Safe space! Safe space! Safe space! Get back! Am I doing a good job at sounding pathetic and retarded? And, well, not retarded, but just dumb. No! 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 No, 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 no. 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 Mr. Buff over there. Whoa! The nostalgia game's finally loaded. Doesn't mean I'm gonna stop this, just means once I actually succeed, I'm gonna stop it. See, since I didn't go for the shotgun, I'm doing much goddamn better. Also, you can even use just normal weights. Kapoya! That did feck all. Ah, give me a plate. No. No, my safe space. No! 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 I'm making it worse. There we go. Prison crime ain't a crime unless it's a crime. Ah, for fuck's sakes. No, 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 give me that. Nice, head explosion. I don't know if I used the powers. I think I did, but I don't think I used them much. I also don't think I thoroughly explained them beforehand. No, let me... Hey, that was supposed to be mine! Why are they moving so fast all of a sudden? Oh no! Give me my shotgun! Give me my shotgun! No, fuck you! Fuck you! Oh Jesus! There's a lot of bad guys here. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Take it back. Take it back. Go away. There's a machete. There's a machete. There's a machete. I am legit terrified right now. Cause that guy will fuck you up. Especially since I have like jack's shit health. And this is like hard mode right now. They are instantly attacking me. My weapons are lasting for like fuck all time. If I get through this, I am going to be so damn surprised because, yeah, this is legit hard mode. They are running at me. They are instantly attacking once they get up to me instead of waiting a bit like they used to. That guy did. Where's the comb shift brush? Shit. Air! Shockwave! Get the fuckers out of here so that I can do my shit. No. There we go. One shot to the head. Let's let that one fucker go. Hey, Mr. Machete. Gotta pipe up your ass. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Okay, I gotta shotgun up your ass. There we go, I'm safe. Wow. Okay. Okay. Well, looks like I may come back to that level. But, okay. More coming soon, so. But, yeah. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna... Let's do bikers. I want to just show you the slaughterfest that I can do now with this shotgun, that platform, and my capabilities as an accurate shooter of the shotgun spray, aka AK-47 Infinite Shotgun Burst. Wapow! 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 If it'll fucking fire faster. Jesus Christ, this game is both laggy and super fast at the same time. It's like the enemy has gotten faster, I've gotten slower, and all around, it's just gotten harder. Just to get all the people who've fallen and can't get up. So as you can see, there's actually quite a bit of them. My platform. My platform. Just 1 second. Not only was there a guy alive, oh, okay, there's more guys alive, who just fucking jumps, and he's still alive. But there's a glitch too. I need to go take care of that. I'm the professional glitch hunter. You heard of witch hunter, now you heard of a glitch hunter. I think that's guy's head. Don't know how to fucking... I've tried this before. It is difficult. Oh my god, that was the perfect second. Where'd it go? Don't care. You're either on the platform or you're off the platform. You're either on the platform or you're off the platform. You're either on the platform or you're off the platform. You're either on the platform or you're off the platform. Ah, ah, on, ah. I can corpse launch now. That is all I was trying to show there. Okay. Probably the shortest video I've done, with only being 15 minutes. Leave suggestions for what I should do, like Killfest, just this is Sparta Kick. Since you can do that, just wait until they're there, then just try to glitch as many people into the air as possible using the whole shockwave up there, since it is hilarious. Laser grid combat, stuff like that, just whatever you want me to do. With katana versus machete. Would be cool, since those things slide. Like, I think I tried to do that in the first video, too. I just tried to play pool. And it's just like, okay, nope, starting without me, go fuck yourselves. Probably not. I don't know. I think I either way, on my own, I tried it. I know at some point I tried it in this game, where I was trying to do it in the first level. So, yeah. That was Paint Town Red. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever, don't really care. Regardless, that was fun. It may have been short, but it was fun, because I'm going to do another video today, and it is going to definitely be longer, because it is going to be campaign on Rome Total War. Because I really want to do that game, even though I kind of don't want to do that game. Whatever, don't care. Hope you guys enjoyed. And give me suggestions for stuff to play and stuff. Actually leave comments if you view this, please. Because I just want to know if I'm doing a good job, if I'm doing a bad job, if I need to change something. Don't say my voice, don't say my personality, because then you guys are assholes. And I don't like assholes. And yeah, on that point, bye.